Hello everybody. um, I have this, sorry, okay. A couple months ago we got this control board, and we couldn't fix it because it's something we don't normally do here. It's commercial, I think it's from a commercial cleaner, you know, those big machines that they clean in the malls. So customer complaint is that there is a problem with this board. For some reason it doesn't show him anything on the display. I'll take a look again on this one and see if I can get this one going, but last time when we had a different service tech here, he couldn't find out anything on this one. We normally don't work on those machines or on those control units, but I'm just gonna show you. The part number is D50134.3. So I don't know if they even sell this, but D50, yeah. Let's see if I can open this up and give it a try and see if I can find anything on this one. But last time we checked, there was no problems. So I'll check one more time those big relays. I'm gonna test them as well, the capacitors, and I'll see if I can find anything. Well, I do see some pins are broken here, but see, there's a couple pins are broken here, but it might be that it's just, again, I'm not sure. I really need to see the unit in order to understand what's happening with this, but see if I can find anything on this controller. Let's something fall down. Okay, let's, oh, there's more components on the other side. That's pretty complex board, to be honest with you, but I'll see if yeah, there was some repairs. That looks like some soldering was done. Some soldering was done here. Looks like somebody tried to do something here for sure. You can see here and here, but again, I will check them and see if they're faulty or not, but I will start with the capacitors and see if I can find anything. This is the main chip right here on this side. Let's see if I can get this one going. I'll give it a try, otherwise the customer asked to send this one back. So there's lots of repairs done, I can see here on this board. Yeah, it's a MOSFETs. So there's a bunch of those MOSFETs. And looks like those MOSFETs, they all tested good. I'll check those ones. Okay, this might be a bad one. Those two might be faulty ones. Yeah, so maybe I can try to replace those two and see. Yeah, this one looks bad too. Yeah, because I'm looking on the pattern of the curve, and you see all those other ones, they have good pattern, right? So it looks like those ones are all good. Yeah, so this one a little funny, but it might picks up some feedback from the other components. This one's funny too, but I think they're still good. Yeah, because there's a bunch of components around it, so they might be getting some feedback, but those ones definitely open. Those two. So you can try replacing those. Are they the same? Yeah. Sure, maybe I'll order two of them. I just want to make sure that it's the same part number. IRF 32. No, they're different. Let me see. IRF 32 05. Where's Z? L? Doesn't really say. Let's do the Z. Obsolete. Ooh. What about the L? Is that obsolete too? They're both obsolete. Okay. Let me see. Let's see. So leg 85. Let's say it's this leg right here, or this one. I wish I could just take it out. Just how about? Well, that's the coil for sure. Wherever we have the reading, right? Let's see. Let's test it once again. How about here? Mega ohm. But that's way too much. Okay, let's test between those two, just for fun. Oh, here's the coil. Here's the coil. Oh, look at that. So this is the coil. But if it's the coil, why it's not showing me any readings? Very strange. It's showing me readings here, but doesn't show reading here. Hold on, this was a coil, right? Sorry. Okay. 76 ohms. How about this one? I think this relay is kaput. Okay, so I found a couple problems here. Looks like this relay is no good. I'm just gonna demonstrate it. So this is where the coil is, but look, see, it doesn't want to open. So this relay is short. I will check if I can get this relay, and we need 2 MOSFETs. So let's see, 2 MOSFETs, and continue shopping. Let's see if I can get this relay. VF. It's probably going to be an expensive relay, I can tell, and I don't know if it's available. 11F12. Okay, that looks like it's available. Ooh. This relay is $32. Well, I'm gonna call the customer and ask him what the problem that he's facing, but for now I can tell that this relay is shorted for sure. So this is not a good relay. It doesn't want to open or close, so this relay for sure needs to be replaced. And those 2 MOSFETs, they give me bad readings. Other MOSFETs are fine, they just picks up some feedback from the other components. So we have 1 bad relay, 2 bad MOSFETs, and I'm gonna check it further, but so far everything looks fine. I don't think there's a problem with the microchips and all that stuff. Everything seems to be okay. And the only thing is those MOSFETs. Let me just test those. So, too many wires everywhere. Let's see. Yeah, everything checks good. I mean, there's 2 problems here. This relay for sure. This relay needs to be replaced. What about this diode? There is a diode connected to the relay, I remember. I've seen it. This little diode. Is it even good or it's shorted? Let me just see. Yeah, it seems to be okay. I don't know if I'm touching because there's some insulation in there. 0.002. And I think the diode is shorted too, man. So I need this diode too. Yeah, because see, 0.002 0.002 on this one, and then on this diode 0.606. So this is a good diode. 605, see? So we have a problem here with the diode too. So the diode is shorted too. Yeah, it's 0.0, yeah. So first, so it looks like it's a safety diode. I'm not sure why they didn't put it on this relay, they put it on this relay. So it looks like the diode is shorted now. Maybe that's the reason why it's not opening and closing, but now I need to find out what kind of a diode is that. 580, okay. So we need the relay. Might be the relay is good because I think the diode is on the way and it's shorted. Maybe that's the reason why, but we need the relay, we need the diode, we need those two MOSFETs in order to fix it. I just need to see what's the reading on this diode. I can't see with my eyes, so I'll use the microscope for this. Anyways guys, I'll keep you posted on this, but it might be a fail. We'll have to see. As I mentioned before, it's not something we are usually working on, but I found 4 problems here, so I'll try to get it working. I'll talk with the customer and we can go from there. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.